Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from your bank account to Revolut. Okay, so transferring money to your Revolut account from your bank account is really straightforward. All you need to do is open up the app and tap on the add money or the plus icon and then select bank transfer. From here, your banking app will actually generate all the necessary details from here. So depending on what bank you are using and what region you're in, what will happen is your app will actually prompt you to go through the process of transferring a certain amount of funds to your Revolut account. Okay. Once you have all the transfer details, you can approve the transaction through your own banking app or the website that you're using. And then this should be completed within minutes, but it can take up to 2 business days, of course, depending on the process time. Some of the things that we need to take into consideration is the in-app bank transfer option provides the fastest setup with the fewest errors. Also, make sure that you're checking bank compatibility as well as region compatibility, and then also take into consideration the fees that are involved for the transfer. This should depend on what region you're in or whatever bank you're using.